guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. So a couple of days ago, I went to Dollar Tree and as you guys know, everything there is for $1. So I bought some school supplies and the thing that I noticed was everything there was like pretty boring and plain. So I ended up going back to Dollar Tree and I picked up some paint, paintbrushes, and a few other things that I can use to give my school supplies a makeover. So basically everything that I'm using in this video is for $1, which I think is pretty amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. But before we get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. With that all being said now, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, I went to Dollar Tree and in the school supply section, I found this really plain and boring composition notebook. So we are going to be giving this a makeover. At Dollar Tree, I found this glitter paper that's actually sticky at the back. It comes with 3 sheets, so I decided to use pink. And all I'm going to do is remove the backing, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it onto the cover. Using my pair of scissors, I'm going to trim around the edges. And by the way, you can also just fold the paper on the inside. Even though the pink is really pretty on its own, I still wanted to draw a design on the cover. So I bought some acrylic paint and some paintbrushes, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a really cute cloud, and then I'm also going to make like a rainbow at the top. Honestly, there's not much to explain because this design is super easy, but I made like a really rough cloud shape. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. And then I'm just going to make a rainbow, so I decided to use pink, yellow, blue, and purple. Of course, the cloud wouldn't be complete without a face, so using the end of the paintbrush, I made the eyes, and then using a toothpick, I made the smile. So here was the notebook cover before, and here it is after. While I was at the school supply section, I found this pack of sharpeners. You get 6 for $1, so I'm going to be decorating one of them. So in my paint palette here, I mixed in some brown, white, and yellow acrylic paint to get a beige color. I'm actually making a donut sharpener, so using my paintbrush, I'm going to paint around the edges, the back, and then on top I'm going to do like a little bit of the edges so that I have enough room for the icing. I'm going to be using blue for the frosting. You can of course use whatever color that you want. Using some white acrylic paint, I'm going to draw a circle for the donut hole just so that it actually looks like a donut. As per usual, I'm going to go ahead and add a face. And the final step is to add the sprinkles. So I'm using pink, yellow, and purple. So this was the sharpener before, and here it is after. For the final makeover, I found this pencil case and it's like really plain, so I'm going to be making really cute strawberries on it. So the first thing I did was make this little template. You don't really need this, but it makes the process so much easier. At Dollar Tree, I did find fabric paints, but you can of course use acrylic paint. So here I'm just mixing up some like pink with white because I want the strawberries to be like a really light pink. All I'm going to do is pop on my template and sponge on the paint. Because the paint wasn't opaque, I went in with a second coat. So I've zoomed you guys in and I'm just gonna go ahead and draw on the details for the strawberry. On each strawberry, I actually made like a different face, which I think was so cute. So here was the pencil case before, and here it is after. And that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in a comment down below which makeover was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.